5 first-time homebuyer tips to make your dream home reality. Number 1, know your budget. Before house hunting, calculate how much you can afford. Factor in the down payment, monthly mortgage payments, additional costs like property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Use mortgage calculators to set realistic expectations. Number 2, get pre-approved. A mortgage pre-approval strengthens your offer and shows the seller you're a serious buyer. It gives you clarity on your borrowing power and interest rate options. Number 3, research down payment assistance programs. Many first-time buyers qualify for grants, low-interest loans, or other assistance. These programs can reduce upfront costs, so explore what's available in your area. Number 4, prioritize location over aesthetics. You can update paint or flooring, but you can't change the neighborhood. Focus on areas with good schools, low crime rates, and future growth potential. This ensures your home is a solid investment. Number 5, work with professionals. Partner with a trusted real estate agent and mortgage broker. They'll guide you through the process, negotiate on your behalf, and find the best financing option tailored for your needs. Buying your first home doesn't have to be overwhelming. Just follow these steps and take it one day at a time. Need expert advice? Drop your questions below.